What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set the mobile hotspot security to open in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, tap on connections. Now here in connections, tap on mobile hotspot and tethering, and here tap on mobile hotspot. Now here tap on band, and here you will see a security option, so tap on this option, and from here tap on open. So that's how you can set the mobile hotspot security to open. And when you will select open, now anyone can connect to your hotspot network without a password. So that's how you can set the mobile hotspot security to open in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.